Now to a story you'll see only right here on News 19. It's been 4 months since pipes burst at an apartment complex in Huntsville, flooding the building and forcing the people who live there to move into hotels.
We've learned today that for many Gateway Place Apartments residents, life looks no different. Many are still living in hotels with no end in sight. News 19's Peyton Newman is live at the apartment complex, and Peyton had a chance to speak with some of these residents. And Peyton, life has really been different since all of this happened.
That's right, Tamika. Ben, residents say that they were told by plumbers that tens of thousands of gallons of hot water flooded the east side of their building here behind me. But this is what makes their case so interesting. Gateway Place is one of very few apartment complexes for seniors that accepts Section 8 or Social Security in the area. This leaves these residents with little to no options moving forward.
Basically raining in my mom's apartment. She calls me at 2:30 a.m. It's raining, there's water everywhere.
It's been nearly 4 months since a pipe burst, flooding the hallways and units of Gateway Place apartments. What was supposed to be days turned into weeks, into months of hopping from hotel to hotel with little to no answers on when they will return home.
I just would like to go back into my home. It's just very mental stressful.
Residents like Ann Moses say their property managers, the Integral Group LLC in Atlanta, have not communicated any ideas or plans with them.
Leaving us in the dark. It's like we don't count.
Residents share that they don't know what survived in their apartments and don't have access to the storage units to find out.
Supposedly everything is in a climate-controlled facility. We don't know where, we don't know the name, and we can't go get any of our things.
Being evacuated in the summer and not having their winter necessities just poses more challenges for residents.
I've had to buy coats, sweaters, shoes, so it's just been really mind-boggling money-wise.
These out-of-pocket costs stacked on top of the requirement to pay rent while displaced add up.
They have been required to continue to pay rent even though they've been put into a completely temporary living situation that's not their home, it's not where they live, and it's not close to anything that they would normally access.
And some are turning to legal help.
These people really are the most vulnerable folks in our population. Not only do they have modest means, being in rent-controlled apartments. Also, many of them are handicapped or just completely disabled.
Eric Artrip has taken on the case, looking to pursue a class action lawsuit if reimbursement and communication efforts go unanswered, hoping to get solutions for residents who feel forgotten. Now, the Integral Group has been footing the bill on these hotel rooms over the past 4 months. However, when I asked if residents would be getting access to these storage units, they said they had no idea what I was talking about and refused to comment further. But we will keep you updated on this story. For now, live on this rainy night in Huntsville, Peyton Newman, News 19.